Alright, now one of the blue wires attaches right here, and I'm thinking it might go to the injectors or something, but you can look down here and you can see the connector for it. I can't see the color of it because I taped it up too good, but the blue wire is definitely connected to one of those wires in that. That's about all I can tell you, but I just used one blue wire and I used both purple wires, and you can see them. And I think that I had to break that wire, the red and blue wire. I think I had to break it and attach the purple wire on each end of the broke wire. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.